welcome to Summer Auto Part. This is Summer. Today I'm in the garage to install the roof bar. As we know, we have two designs of the roof light. One is with a long LED and another one with a short LED. As we can see, there's roof bar type B on my car. That's just for reference house lock, and actually I like type A much better. So we can check the details of the roof bar type B on my car and the house lock, and we will check the details installation guide of the type A to the cars in today's video. So if you have any questions, just keep the channel and follow Summer to check how's the roof bar installation today. This is type B dry carbon fiber roof bar, and we can find the back side. This is a dry carbon fiber lock. And what's the difference with the previous one type A? Because it comes just 2 holes on the roof, and another one comes 6 holes on the rooftop. And this one looks more rounder sharp, and the LED is much shorter. And we can see some customers also want to be different with others, so they like the new ones, the new design roof bar. So I think this both two roof lights is good option. Actually, we have another one, the type C, the third type roof light on production. So if you have interest, we will show more information once the product is ready. As we can see, the accessories of the roof lights coming 2 LED lights and the computer control, and this is the controller. So once you receive the package, please check the package what's inside of the box and make sure there's nothing missing before your installation. So move to this side. We are installation the type A. It's almost done, and the next step is installation to the car. So keep the channel and follow Summer to check house installation for the next. 1.5 hour work, we installed the roof bar, and this package comes with a Bluetooth controller. So once we finish the roof light, we can enter the buttons to make it bright. We can see how it looks and how bright the LED is. If you don't want to make it light, you can close the light. Open, close, open, close, open, close. So I hope you liked today's video and like our products. If you have any questions about the installation or qualities or fitment, just contact our sales department. I would like to share more information which interests you. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and see you next week. Bye bye.